Welcome back to my channel, guys, to my returning supporters. Thank you for joining me. And if it's the first time you're coming by, please subscribe before you go and join the family. In today's video, I'm going to do a quick and easy dinner idea. So let's get started, guys. Here I have some chicken breasts I already cleaned with vinegar, washed with vinegar, and I'm going to butterfly them and set aside for a seasoning. Moving right along, I'm going to cover my chicken breast with cling wrap so I can flatten them a little so they cook evenly. Just watch the steps, guys. Time for a seasoning. I'm using garlic powder, complete season, chicken season, black pepper, paprika, and chili powder. And a full list will be in the description box below. I'm going to season and put aside to marinate for at least 30 minutes, okay? Here I'm transferring my seasoned chicken to a container that has lid, and I'm going to allow it to marinate for at least 30 minutes, as I said before, but you can also leave it overnight, okay? But at least 30 minutes before go on to the other steps. Moving along, here I have some potatoes. I'm going to peel, wash, and put to cook so we can make our mashed potato. Moving right along, here I have some frozen mixed vegetable. I'm going to allow them to steam for 2 to 3 minutes. Then we put them aside to add our final touch. Moving right along, here I'm making my breading for my chicken. Here I have flour. I'm going to add paprika, chili powder, salt, garlic powder, and complete season. And I'm going to use that to drench my chicken, to coat my chicken, in other words, okay? Just watch the steps, guys. In the meanwhile, while doing this, make sure your oil is already on the fire, heating up. And here I'm prepping my chicken, and I'm going to coat 2 sides. Time for frying. I'm going to fry each side until it's golden brown and completely cooked. Then we remove from oil, place on a plate lined with paper towel, and we move on to complete our dish. Okay, repeat the steps for the others. Here we're adding our final touch to our mixed vegetable that we steamed earlier. I'm adding a little complete season and a little olive oil, and just toss or mix and set aside. Moving along for preparing for our mashed potato. Here I'm adding butter, and I'm going to use milk and mash until it's creamy and set aside. And here is our mashed potato, guys, completely mashed and ready. I'm going to set that aside, and I'm going to make a simple salad to complete our dish. Here I have a cucumber, tomato, lettuce, carrot, bell pepper. Just a simple salad, guys. And for the salad, we're just going to toss and set aside. And here is our chicken fillet, guys, all golden brown and looking all yummy. And here you have it, guys, the finished product. And on top you see that I put some diced beetroot just to transit the colors. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and also will test this recipe out. And as usual, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time, bye.